If you're trying to pick the right visual tool for diagrams, planning, whiteboarding, or teamwork, chances are you've noticed both Miro and Draw.io. They're both solid tools, but where one shines, the other might feel limited. Let's break it down so you can decide which fits your workflow best. 1. What each tool is built for. Draw.io is primarily a diagramming tool. It excels at flowcharts, network diagrams, UML charts, organizational charts. You know, the kinds of visuals where structure and precision matter. It's lean, straightforward, and works well for solo work or technical diagrams. Miro, on the other hand, is a full visual collaboration workspace. It offers an infinite canvas, sticky notes, mind maps, templates for planning, whiteboards for brainstorming, and it's built from the ground up for teams to work together. So, if you're mostly diagramming, Draw.io makes sense. If you're brainstorming, planning visually, or collaborating in real time with others, Miro may be better. 2. Ease of use and learning curve. If you open Draw.io, it's quick. Pick a diagram type, add shapes and connectors, save, export. For many users, it's intuitive, especially if they've used similar tools before. Miro gives you a lot more to explore. Boards, templates, collaboration tools, frames, integrations. That means it may take a bit more time to learn all the features, but once you're comfortable, you gain flexibility. If you want something quick and simple, Draw.io edges ahead. If you're okay investing a little time to get more features and team workflow, go with Miro. 3. Features and flexibility. Here are some of the main differences. Draw.io puts strong emphasis on diagramming features. Many shapes, export options, PNG, PDF, SVG, ability to work offline or save locally. Miro offers broad workspace features, boards for brainstorming, templates for workshops, sticky notes, real-time collaboration, many integrations with other tools. If your work is technical diagrams or documentation, Draw.io likely covers it. If your work is collaborative, visual planning, team sessions, Miro provides more capability. 4. Collaboration and team workflow. When you're working alone or creating a diagram for a report, Draw.io is more than enough. But when you bring multiple team members in, need to edit live, add comments, move sticky notes around, run workshops or brainstorming sessions, that's where Miro shines. Miro supports many users editing the board, adding ideas, voting, presenting. Draw.io is more static and diagram-focused, good for sharing, but less built for lively team sessions. 5. Pricing and value. Draw.io has a strong advantage here. It has a free version, open source in many cases, minimal cost. Great value if you're working solo or in a small team on diagrams. Miro also offers free plans, but unlocking full collaboration, integrations, and advanced templates may require paid tiers. So if budget is a big concern and your needs are modest, Draw.io is very compelling. 6. Which one should you choose? Choose Draw.io if you primarily create flowcharts, diagrams, org charts, technical visuals. Work solo or in a small team where the diagram is the main deliverable. Want something lightweight, fast, cost-effective? Choose Miro if you collaborate with a team and need a visual workspace for brainstorming, planning, or workshops. Use templates, sticky notes, real-time editing, and integrations with other tools. Need a flexible canvas where many types of visual activities happen: ideation, mapping, planning, presenting. At the end of the day, neither tool is wrong. It just comes down to what you do and how you work. If your workflow is diagram-heavy and you don't need live team boards, Draw.io is excellent. If your workflow involves multiple people, brainstorming, visual planning, and team interaction, Miro is the better fit. Try both for a short period and see which one feels more natural to your thinking style and your team's workflow. Thanks for watching this comparison of Miro versus Draw.io. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool comparisons and productivity tips. And drop a comment below. Which one will you try first, and why?